G'day everyone and welcome back. Today we're heading to Bribie Beach. Now for those that don't know, we've lived around the area for about 12 years but never actually camped on the island. On the beach side, that is, on the surf side as they call it. So right now we've got the camper trailer hooked up. I've deflated the tyres already, that's done and dusted, and we're about ready to head in.
Can you give me luck that I can keep in a jar on the front seat of my car? On my way to a brand new start. And I'll run these roads till these roads don't need to be run. And I will find my way through my days with the light of the sun. And your smile is a work of art.
Now we've driven about 16 kilometres up the beach to get to the campsites. And I've just pulled over. We've turned up at our site. Just going to go for a bit of a wander and check it out.
'Cause home, there's no place like home. Take it slow on my road to nowhere, watching all the pretty things as they pass me by. My only fear is missing out on things like those warm summer breezes and those warm summer nights, and all those warm summer nights.
Yeah, you got the camper in. Bloody hell, that was a mission. This is a multi-purpose, multi-use site, but it still seems really small. And if it wasn't for the exit tracks, seriously, we wouldn't have made it. Now that trailer is, what, 2 tonne? Fully loaded, be at least 2 tonne. Maybe a little bit more. But as you can see here, I'll show you. That's where I came in from. Threw the car around, all the way around here, reversed it back, managed to drive the car forward and then reverse it back again. But in the process of doing that, we have sustained some damage. It is what it is, right?
And I'll take it slow on my road to nowhere, watching all the pretty things as they pass me by. And my only fear is missing out on things.
Waking up to that is absolutely spectacular. God, I love the beach. First time camping over this side of the island. Definitely want to do it again.
You said to me that you were scared of what's to come, and I said, honey, don't you mind? 'Cause letting go wasn't such a bad idea when you got it all to find. And I remember watching your heart hit the floor and them tears on your cheeks. With a ticket in hand, second chance, you were leaving for a distant land, and I wasn't gonna hold your hand or fit your plans. But I hope you know that I miss it so bad. The nights we spent out on our own on the eastern coastline, looking for the wild time.
We're just going to make our way down to the bunkers and see what's going on down there. Just a little bit of history on this. They were built from 39 to 43. That's 1939 to 1943 for around £55,000. That's around $2.5 million in today's money. They were originally going to be built at Caloundra, if you didn't know that. But apparently Bribie Island was the best location for it. That's probably the reason, or half the reason, why it costs so much. Imagine back in those days trying to get all this concrete. Have a look. Now all this concrete shipped over to Bribie Island. Now there's a lot of rooms in these things. This is one of the two big ones. I'll take you over and show you one of the other ones in a minute, the other big one. If you look through, some of these got pretty cool. There's a blackboard over there with people's names on it. People's names on it. You can make out some of the writing.
Remember singing the brown-eyed girl and taking the long way home, and we would never fall, and the skies were never high enough to keep it all from blowing up. But this is all we knew, and so when the moment comes, I'll be heading straight back home to you. Straight back home to you.
So, something I forgot yesterday was there's these walking tracks behind those bunkers, behind the World War II bunkers. I think you had a couple of gun towers, and I think there was a hospital here as well at one point. But I'm just going to go down to this one here. It's not really much to see, because I think all these trails link up. Have a bit of a look at that. Like, honestly, it's really nice just to go for a walk. The only downside is walking through these sorts of places is the bloody mozzies. Mosquitoes are everywhere through here, so I'm just making it a little bit quick to try and get through, because I don't want to get eaten alive. I haven't put any repellent on, but if you ever come down here, make sure you put repellent on. Might be a good idea.
Fees are making money, do nothing for us, nothing for us, nothing for us. What if they go for war? Nobody came and everybody broke the law. It wouldn't be so easy to do, but the law ain't always right. What we learned in World War II. Can you believe that we are here still arguing, when we should trust each other more than we trust our screens? But you see, it's so easy to do when the news says it's facts, but in fact it isn't true. Don't get caught up letting